Hi guys, it's Christine Castellano back at you again with another episode on skincare products, hair removal, services, whatever. I just wanted today to let you know about our brow pencil that we sell on Shopify, and I'm going to give you a few tricks and tips on how to do some brow mapping. And it's kind of funny, but we also do the brow mapping in a similar fashion when we do permanent makeup. So I'll give you a little bit of insight on the brow mapping. Because a lot of people, have trouble doing it on their own. It's not real hard to measure because as long as you kind of hold your pencil near your nose on either side, and that's the beginning of where your brow should start on the bulb area. But these little brow things are really, really great. And you can message me and I will then show you where to order them. But these are for basically permanent makeup. And this is what I do to help. That's one of the tools that I use. I use a few others, but this is your basic little measurement. And so I'm taking my brow pencil. I like the natural brown for myself because I like a little bit of a darker brow, but it's more of a taupey color. But you wouldn't use this one if you have a really dark brow. We have other colors that are more complementary. But so I go with the corner of my nose, go up like that. And then you can go like this from the corner of your eye and your nose out, and that should be the end of your brow. So what I'm going to be doing is the tapes, these measurement tapes really do help you to focus on making them even on either side because it's really hard. And I do it so often, so it's not hard after you do about 5,000 brows. And plus, don't forget, if you're doing your own at home, your face is two completely different shapes on either side. And that's where it kind of throws people off. But nobody has the same shape face on either side. And that's what makes it really difficult to see how even they are. But these do help. And so I'm doing that. Can you see that? I'm doing that on this side. I'm kind of like at weird angles because I really can't see and I'm trying to show you guys. So just bear with me. I hope you guys can see that. But see, if I look up, then I can't see what the heck I'm doing. But I'm just taking little feathery strokes and just basically coloring them in. Taking that measurement. But this also helps, this tape does help with the measurement. And also it helps get your peaks, which is so super important, getting your arches at the same spot on either side as best as we can. As aesthetically correct, as I always say, as we can. Because it's all about aesthetics. We can't get them perfectly even because if you put this one on this brow on this side, it would look funny because our face is a totally different shape. It wouldn't complement that side of our face. So this is basically a very short tutorial on the brow pencil, brow mapping, but this is how we do it. And so when I am doing permanent makeup, then this actually helps with a guide. When I first started doing this about 12 years ago, we didn't have those guides. So we basically had to, really mark with something that didn't wash off so quickly. Now we don't have to do that because we have our little tape, which is so great. But you guys aren't going to be doing that at home. But this is some of the guidelines that you can follow as far as with your measurements. That's your arch, and that's where you start your bulb. Until next time, and don't forget to like us, to follow us, and to share because I'm just here to help you guys in your beauty quest, so you guys can and also it's great for you guys because I do this every day as a profession. I'm not just some fly by night that just wants to go on camera. So I do this every day. I have licenses. I'm a professional. So I hope that these tips and tricks work for you guys, and I hope that you find value in them. So don't forget to share, like us, and follow us. And don't forget also, we do offer virtual consultations. So until next time, I will see you guys. Please be safe. And I love you guys. Take care.